Check it out. I wanted to show you this bluebird jade right here. Beautiful flowers that are a little bit dying right now. You can see here, this is how they're supposed to look, all white. And then the leaf of the jade is all blue and greenish. And we got penny jade here, Portulacaria afra. This one is Crassula ovata, a bluebird. And we got regular Crassula ovata right here, pink jade. And then we got a bigger jade right here, which is the large penny jade. Beautiful. And then there's a variegated Portulacaria afra right here. There's a ton of diversity in the jade family. Really beautiful plants. You can see this guy up close. Really, really nice variegated form. These are a little bit larger leaf size. This is Mexican bush sedum here. But you can see over here the pink little flowers from this pink jade. This is the most common one. Then maybe those Portulicarias, and the bluebird is a little bit harder to find over here. Really good plant for drought tolerant landscaping. I pretty much never water them, never maintain them. You can see here, brings pollinators to your garden. All these bees to try to pollinate the flowers, and then they'll pollinate like stuff like this crepe myrtle, this what do you call it, licorama. So all these things get flowered. You get or they get flowers, and then they get these pollinators like bees, flies, wasps, all types of little insects. Beautiful little plants for any garden.